I transformed this dumpster fire of a nail set into the simple but festive DIY Christmas nails in about 2 hours and 10 minutes. Let me show you how I did it. And don't worry, this video is way shorter than 2 hours. Hi there, I'm Denise Renee. I'm just a DIY nail enthusiast who's determined to level up her skills. So if you want to come along for the ride on my journey and watch all the highs and the lows, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. So here's everything I'll be using to create this transformation. I'll be taking my nail drill to my nails. I'll be using a medium grit ceramic bit because I'm only trying to remove the polish, not the nail itself. I'll strengthen the nail with some Builder Gel in a bottle. I'm going to be repainting with 2 different Model 1 red nail polishes. And I'll be using these very easy to use snowflake stickers. And I'll finish everything off with top coat. Now, I'm not sure I was showing the base coat because I'm not going to use it. All right, so let's grab this nail drill and get to work. So, in case you missed it, in my last video, I showed how I struggled with the worst nail stickers I have ever purchased off of Amazon. If you haven't watched that video, I will leave it linked down below in the description box for you. I was extremely disappointed because those nails were going to look so cute, but I was so tired because it took me 2 hours to do those nails and it was late and I was like, child, I'm going to bed. So the next day I got up and I was like, you know what? I am going to have my Christmas nails. So we're going to do something about this. So this is my progress on my left hand after about 30 minutes. Now I'm switching to using my left hand, which is my non-dominant hand, so I can work on my right. Now you are more than welcome to clown me for my very non-existent nail drill skills. I'm going to be honest, I don't practice it often because honestly, I try to avoid using a nail drill if I can. I've messed up my natural nails and I'm like, yeah, that's not for me. Also, I alternate between using the drill and my hand file to get rid of the top coat and the gel paint. Now, when creating this transformation, I had 2 options. I could have decided to take the nails completely off and start again, or I could do what I'm doing, which is just take off the gel polish and repaint. Here's why I decided to do the latter. I had already prepped my nails for them to last, and if you saw in the last video, I made a mistake on one of my nails, and after just 10 seconds of curing, man, that sucker was on there real good. I struggled to get that nail off. So I didn't want to struggle with removing, only to have to use more product to put a whole other set on. So I decided to keep the nails that I had on and just replace the polish and the design. Honestly, it would have taken roughly about the same amount of time. So this way I figured I could at least save myself some product, I think. Anyhow. I think part of the reason my drill skills are off is because I purchased a cheap drill at the beginning of my nail journey. And I have learned that whenever you buy cheap products, well, you tend to get poor performance. I did decide to invest in the ceramic drill bits and they do work better. These days, I tend to use the chemical nail glue dissolvers because I find that it's more gentle on my nails and my nails don't look like hell when I'm done removing a product. But I do plan on investing in a better nail drill and I will make sure that it has a digital display so that I know what RPMs I have and I need a switch that clearly tells me whether I'm in reverse or forward. So there's that. Alrighty, so after about an hour and 15 minutes, I am finally done with removing the gel product to the best of my ability on both my hands, and this is what they're looking like. So now I'm going in with a layer of Build-A-Gel to fortify the nail, just in case my drilling damaged the integrity of the nail. So that was pretty quick. It took me about 10 minutes to do both of my hands. And I'll say I share how long it takes me to do things because in all of the nail videos that I watch, no one really talks about how long it takes them. So I remember watching my first nail videos, buying all the products and saying, well, hey, their video took 15 minutes to watch. How come this is not taking me 15 minutes to do? It seems so simple. So on my channel, I'm going to tell you the real, okay? You don't have to suffer through every single minute with me, but I will share how long it takes me to actually do my nails, regardless of the video length. I think you deserve that level of transparency from me, because I certainly wanted it at the beginning of my nail journey. Alrighty, so now I'm going in with this really bright red gel polish on all of my nails. And I'm cleaning up any gel from the sides of my fingers with by dipping a brush into some alcohol, because I do not want to develop an allergy to gel products. I like them too much. I like to cure for 90 seconds to make sure nothing is undercured. Okay, so now I'm going to be using this full nail sticker for my 2 middle fingers. They are mirror image designs, so it's going to look really cute when looking at them side by side. Now I'm placing the glitter topper on the rest of my nails so that they serve as an accent. Now, I learned from in my previous video that having a base color underneath this topper will make it show up better. And in this set, it actually makes the remaining nails look darker, which it creates a really nice effect. So I've completed my entire left hand, took about 20 minutes. And now I'm going to do my right hand off camera. Okie dokie, so now it took me about 25 more minutes to complete my right hand off camera. So here's the final look. I certainly could have made the edges a little bit more crispy and well-defined with a hand file, but overall, I think this set looks so much better than how I started out. So I'm very happy with them. What do you think? Share your thoughts down in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video very soon.